Okay, hello. My name is Matheus Sfer. I'm this student here. That's my student ID number and my two group members, Raul and Mohammed. This is the presentation to show the assignment 1, COMP2139. So for this project, we are using the .NET framework and we are using the MVC model. So the view is basically the front end where we are gonna make the user experience more friendly and everything easy to understand how to navigate in our website. The model is responsible for the connection with the database, so it defines all of the data structure. Any update that the user does using the front end is going to be sent to the database and it's going to be updated. And in the middle between the database and the front end, we have the controller. That the controller contains all of the logic. For example, if the user is going to buy a product, when he chooses how many quantities of each product he wants and he places an order, it's gonna go to the controller is gonna send all of the information and do the change in the database. Okay, so here's the code. So as I was saying, we are dividing in three main parts: the view that is responsible for the front end. For example, I created a lot of index because I have one for the cart, right, that I'm gonna show in the website soon. I have one for the home, that is the main page, and we have a lot of other pages that we use this mixed version of CS and HTML. Okay, so we have the models, that the models contains all of the data. For example, here we are defining the attributes, right? So each ID is gonna have a product, each product is gonna have a product ID, a product name, a price, and a quantity, right? We have the category here. We have just a error page, error view mode. We have the order, so the order also is gonna have the customer name, the customer email, the product ID, all of the information that is gonna make the order fulfilled to be placed, right? We have the migration that contains some data related to the database. And here the controllers. So for example, in the cart, we have some methods, right? For example, we want to clear our cart. So we have all of the code here to clear. We can place an order. So to place our order, we are asking for the customer name and customer email. If the customer doesn't input these strings, we are gonna receive they're gonna receive a message explaining that please enter your name and email before placing the order. So alright, that's a basic explanation about the code because we are short on time, and let me show the web page now. So here is the main page, right? Is the home. So in the home is just a welcome message, and then the user has also option to go to the product list that is gonna go to the buy product, right? So what I did, I put separate the manage product and the buy product. So the manage is more like for the manager who is responsible for updating the website and control the supply demand. And one function that I also put separated was when you go to buy products as a customer, you can filter, right? So I can filter, like, for example, golf is gonna show only golf. If I put results, it's gonna come back all of the information. If I put, for example, name HZ, it's gonna organize. If I put sort by low to high, the price is gonna organize by price. If I put that I only want to see electronics, right, it's gonna show only electronics. If I put the minimum price, so let's say we just want to see maybe the MacBook, so let's put from 100 to 300, right? So it's gonna show only the MacBook. So these are all of the filtering options to the user. However, the low stock alerts I put separated because I think the user doesn't need to receive an alert. It will be okay for the user to see how many products are available, But in the manage area, let's add a new product here. For example, let's add just a bag, whatever. Let's put it clothing. Then the price, let's put it $90. And the stock, let's say we have only 5, but we want to receive a notification when our stock is less than 7, right? So we add here the bag, the price is 90, the stock is 5. But because we ask it to receive a notification when it's less than 7, it's gonna appear here. So if I put and just to show a constraint, right? If I put -1, it doesn't leave me. You see, stock cannot be negative. And now let's put we have 5. Let's put we are only receiving notification if it is 6. Okay, so now it's not here, the bag. Oh, sorry, I did opposite. Let me put a notification only when it's less than 4. Okay, so it's not appearing here. And now let's say some customer, they want to buy 1 bag, or let's put 2 bags here, right? So we add to the cart, okay? And then if we just try to place an order, it doesn't allow because it's written here, fill out this field. So let's put my name here. Let's pretend I'm buying. Okay, at hotmail.com. So because I'm placing 2 bags, okay, order successfully placed, thank you for shopping with us. When I go back to low stock alerts, it's here now. Because before I had 5, right? And the notification is only if it is less than 4. However, we just sold 2, so automatically updated here. We can also add like multiple amounts, so we can put like 3 MacBooks, okay, and then you can come back here, you can put 1 iPhone. So I just gonna show, sorry, I don't know what's going on here. Okay, and then it's summing here all of the values, right? I can remove, see? So yeah, I think mainly that's what it is all about. Let me see if I can show a little bit of the database. We still have a little bit of time. Just give me a second to open the application. Okay, here. Sorry. Yeah, PG admin. So I just want to show a little bit of the tables. Okay. So all of the data is being stored here. So we have here order date, order ID, order name, product ID, customer email, customer name, quantity, total price. So all of the code is linked with this database, right? So I put here all of the information to be able to log in and connect with my database. And that's my program.cs. What else can I show here? Yeah, so basically the controller is like the intermediate that is just linking the front end with the database. And yes, I think that's it. Here is our privacy. The buy products, yeah, we can view the cart where we just place an order. I think that's it about our project. I think I showed all of the possible functions, and yeah, thank you for watching the video. I hope this website is following all of the requirements, and it is working. We are glad to make this project. It was very fun and useful. It's something like that is very kind of user friendly. Like it's very easy to run the code and check what's happening. Like we can delete something, we can add something, so it's very dynamic and interactive. So okay, bye bye. That was our presentation.